Today we got the 2012 Fiat, picking it up in this hot ass day. The worst part about being a dealer is this right here. These lots get so freaking big, bro, and to look for the cars sometimes get ridiculous. I don't think it's anything like a Copart yard, but still sometimes, like a Mannheim Riverside, definitely really huge. Let's put this hood down. Post-sale inspection, which means they check the vehicle out for me before I pick it up. And still, even after the post-sale inspection, I get 7 to 14 days to figure. But yeah, 2012 with like 63,000 miles. This is her with the hood down. Now I did check out the car. Actually, no, I didn't check out the car before I bought it. This one I purely just gambled on. But I wanted to check it out. I tried coming so early to get in. I somehow overslept and came in late. But so when I came and seen it just going through, I just had a bid on it. But I checked it out after I won the offer. So far everything checked out and I agreed to their what they were asking for. It does look like it's been repainted right here. 63,000 miles, that's not bad though. Tag's till next year. Let's go see how she sounds. I did check out the top though. The top does work. It's a convertible. Top works. Money. She sounds great. Second, it wasn't going anywhere, but yeah. So Karin got fresh POV drive of a 2012 Fiat. Cold AC off the rip though. So it is, I'll say the most lucrative cars of the year though would be the Teslas. I've definitely sold a lot of those and made a lot of money on them. The majority of that is because of the EV tax credit. So without that, most people aren't going to get approved for those loans, and they are. The EV tax credit is ending as well. We got one update as well. We did get some more Teslas that came in, higher mileage. But let's see if we can get them off before the EV tax credit ends.